Wetin happen? That year long go.
Babe, I don't tire. I never sleep since yesterday when I tell you say I dey go vigil. Hey! Because wetin happen for church, the kind snore where I just dey hear. I never hear am before. If you see how people just dey change here, people dey really snore like that.
And you no wake them up, nothing. I just dey listen to this.
How many people I wan wake? Abeg, how many people I wan wake? No be people too much. They just dey change there, different style. I don't know say people dey snore like that oh.
I don't experience as in wait oh. That is very, very annoying. Like make I dey say that person, make person dey snore. I fit use needle dey chook the person, or me I pinch the person, make e wake up. But that kind of thing, some people whether you pinch them or you push them or you wear earpiece, you don't see situation beside you go wear earpiece, you go see the hear snore.
Yeah, even you know say whether na the stress of the vigil, you know say person wey don pray. That one cause am. But some men and some women wey even dey married, some of them, you know, then they snore like that.
I think they do. It be like some people dey snore, but if wife don't know, sometimes na tiredness. If person tired, if fit snore. But sometimes na natural blessing.
And you get some way where you go put the pillow, whether the position, you know, position of how the person sleeps self fit cause am, you know.
Whether position, some people just dey inherit am. If you like make them change position or do anything no. In fact, if you wake them up like this, when they wake up, then they come. If like the snoring, they come fight you. This snore go quite increase. As in, people when they snore, they try you, but I don't know. What you go do for that kind of situation?
If you like, as you say, you won't even person where you want marry, can't go sleep for your house. Person going to change here like. You go still marry that.
Watch, I see be saying.
You know, love they blind.
I beg. If you be saying that
love they blind.
Which kind of love they blind for?
Especially if you don't pay for house.
No, if you be saying na first time, if you be saying una come on, maybe tiredness and everything. For second time, third time, fourth time, changing the situation. I beg. I don't understand, but most people no be say. In fact,
but seriously, me I never know wetin dey cause am. I go want make people tell us wetin dey cause am.
Wetin you go do now if you go visit your friend wey dey live for one room and
you wan sleep?
No be say una sleep, you go visit them in the morning, the husband still dey sleep for room na one room, and the man come dey give you work and una dey discuss, but the man
I come dey hear the snore for where I dey.
No dey let una talk. Wetin you go do? You go tell the woman say make she wake her husband.
If it be kata, I go first ask her whether her husband get kata now. So if it be like if it be that one now,
if no come be kata, come. You go tell me wake you. So okay, but wait. Okay, now don't laugh. Now, may I rephrase that? If now you will be saying that maybe you and your boyfriend now go the vigil, and the guy come dey snore that kind of snore, maybe say you don't sleep go far. People just they wake him up say they come wake you say, madam please wake him up now.
That kind of thing. Thank God you as you talk am na boyfriend. As the thing don dey hold embarrassment now.
You say with the guy. You no truly love her now. You want marry like your fiancé.
I don't talk now. Fiancé is no public. When they come they tap me or make her dey open. Like you just now, just the people no go notice. Like just they give her.
Anyway, we don't talk wetin we fit talk. As in, we don't too much get any topic, but you know, say we no want to bring everything serious to now. So we just say maybe we all use this one take shine, make una laugh to this shine. But wetin you go do if your lover they snore? As in, you know that kind of snoring.
We get
maybe snore like snoring. When they change different kind of jobs, if you wake them up, you don't change reverse and bring back again. Wetin you go do?
Especially where that kind of thing don't dey cause embarrassment. When I go church or you go family place, they come dey hear the snore place. The kind of snore wey your husband or your boyfriend is not for another room.
Or you go friend place. Maybe say una comot together at night and una say okay, una sleep over for una friend place. Your lover come dey snore that kind of snoring. Wetin you go do? Shey you go wake am up.
Before you go wake am na.
And na that kind of person be say no like it make dem dey wake up if he dey sleep nko.
It's better person wey don work tire for morning just come home come
rest. But wetin you go advise people wey dey snore? Wetin make dem do?
Na their cross na. So far as say they like the person.
No, I mean the people wey dey snore themselves. Wetin you go advise?
Me, I go even wan ask now whether snoring get solution. I go wan ask because me, I no know. Me, Jane, I no know wetin dey fit do. You get idea?
You dey snore?
I no sure.
I like. I go record.
As you look sef, your face resemble them.
Anyway, we don't pass like this so na the thing we fit do be this. We no dey too dey serious. Sometimes we go just na we be this, so we just leave the whole wahala and the whole snoring matter to una. So una subscribe and una just comment, tell us wetin una think. You go fit date person wey dey snore heavy snoring, or I no understand wetin how I wan take scatter the whole thing put again, but na still the same question. But no worry, I go record Jane when she dey snore. I know say she dey snore, I go record am bring to una. No worry. I no forget
now.
Na the Jane and Janet, that will be this.
All right.